Hi everybody, it is me, Roger, once again. And I was reading this very interesting article. It says that actually the middle class, we're actually slowly missing the middle class. Why? Because the gap between the rich and the poor is actually getting wider and wider and wider and wider. A lot of people, you and I, we hope we're going to be the top 1% of the wealthiest people around the world. But a lot of times we felt that we are stuck below. We are stuck in the poor environment. Why? Simply because poor thinking, actually makes people poor. You are poor, it's not because what you have in your pocket or in your wallet. You are poor because of a mindset. We need to change your mindset first. I need to change my mindset first in order to get rich. So it is not when I get rich, I'll have a rich mindset. So the sequence is pretty important here. It is when you change your mindset from a poor mindset to a rich mindset. When I talk about rich, it doesn't mean that in terms of monetary or currency or money or your assets. What I mean is your life, to have a rich life. Having the ability, your freedom, doing what you want to do within the law, right? We must have a rich mentality, a rich thinking in order for us to be rich in materially, right? So getting rid of the poor mindset, it is the first step. Take a paper, take a pen, write it down. What are some of your poor beliefs? Sometimes I myself, I'm very annoyed by a lot of fairy tales. I mean, a lot of cartoons like Robin Hood. You know what Robin Hood says? Robin Hood actually says, you rob the rich and then you give it to the poor. Why can't you rob the rich? Why the rich people are always the villain, the bad people? Why? Because that's just a story. But since young, since we're babies or since we're a kid, we watch these stories. Why on earth must every single lady marry a prince? Come on. How many princes are there in this world? I must find my charming, or my Prince Charming. My 白马王子. Come on. There's so little prince around the world. So what this makes, this actually makes women or ladies, when they grow up, a certain values, a certain mindset, where when I grow up, I must marry the rich and powerful. You see? So all this are actually indoctrinated from young. As a parent, if you are parents, beware. All these fairy tales, at the end, you must explain it. You must tell the kids, this is not the actual world. Not every single lady will gonna marry the rich and powerful. But everyone has the potential to be rich. Instead of robbing the rich, why don't you teach your kids how to be rich and powerful? Rich in the sense that rich in your own mindset. Rich because you are free. You have freedom. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you like. You can help as many people as possible. So the key takeaway from this video is poor thinking makes people poor. So the first step towards a rich and wonderful, awesome life is to have a rich mindset. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.